Well, if you're a PECO customer, no doubt you've probably been bombarded by ads from electricity suppliers urging you to make the switch. But before you do anything, it's important to know exactly what the PA Power Switch is all about. NBC10 consumer reporter Tracy Davidson is here now with an expert to walk you through everything. Trace?
We will make it very easy so you can understand it. We're actually having a huge event to help you out tomorrow. We'll give you the details on that in a second. But first, Kathy Engel is from PECO. She's here to explain it all. So explain the concept of the PA Power Switch. We now get a choice.
You do. With deregulation, customers get a choice of who they can purchase their electricity from. And customers should know most of all that PECO is still their energy delivery company. No matter whom they purchase that power from, we will deliver to customers. We will bill customers. We'll be there to respond to any problems. They'll call us if they have any service interruptions. All of that stays the same. The difference is they're shopping with a competitive supplier and they may be able to save some money.
I've tried to explain it to people is that your PECO bill is two parts. It's one, the actual energy, and the other part is the delivery. PECO's still going to do the delivery no matter what. It's the energy that you're shopping for.
That's exactly right. And if a customer chooses not to shop, PECO will still purchase electricity on their behalf. But again, there's a lot of offers out there right now. The PUC has done wonderful things to help us educate our customers. And there's so many great offers in ways that customers could potentially save money.
So I know they can go on PAPowerswitch.com. They take their PECO bill so they know exactly what their usage is, and they can plug it in and they can see the comparison rates. But you really need to ask some questions like, is the rate fixed? Is it variable? Those kinds of things. Explain that.
Sure, exactly. So first of all, beginning in January, we have taken the steps to put on every customer's PECO bill what's known as their price to compare. This is really going to help them. If a customer has that price to compare number, it's been calculated for them. So they don't have to do the calculation themselves. Then they take that number and compare it to the supplier's offer. And then very important, they want to know, again, is it a fixed rate or a variable rate? Because a variable rate may make sense for some customers, but other customers may want a fixed rate. And then also, what are the contract terms? Is there a length of a contract that someone has to sign up for and commit to staying with the supplier for a certain amount of time? And then also, great to know that if they choose to switch, if they choose to shop to another supplier or choose to return to PECO, they can always do that. Now,
this is one question that I continue to get, and I know the answer, but explain it so that people can understand it. Why is PECO not concerned about the people? Because 10% of PECO customers have already made the switch. Why is PECO not concerned about the people who are switching?
So we'll go back to your bill. If you think of your bill in two parts, the electricity that you purchase. If PECO's purchasing that electricity for you, that's a pass-through. We purchase the electricity, we pass that cost on directly to customers. It doesn't contain a markup. That's not where PECO makes its profit. PECO is an energy delivery company.
They make it on the other end.
That's exactly right.
Perfect.
And that's what will allow us to continue to be there with our poles and wires and our crews to respond to problems. So customers should shop and find an offer, and if they save money, that's all the better.
Excellent. And I know you're going to be with us tomorrow. So come out to our special event. It's tomorrow at the Pavilion at King of Prussia Mall. We'll be there from noon till 6. So PECO will be there. The PUC will be there. The alternate providers will be there. Just bring your PECO bill. We'll make it really, really, really easy for you. Lori?